like no longer will you be a zero. With all this energy shining so splendidly, it's time for you to show the world what you can do.
Alright, Dragon Ball Master Designers. Tonight we're gonna draw Tambourine.
If you wish to be the best, then fight hard like all the rest.
No, I'm not talking about the instrument. I'm talking about the one from the original Dragon Ball series.
Energy right from the start. It's just waiting to be unlocked.
Alright, first we draw the Spinosaurus-like shaped spike on his back of his skull. Basically, Tambourine is a demon. I don't know what he was, but basically it was created by King Piccolo. I guess it was created by King Piccolo.
It's time for you to show the world what you can do. Dragon Ball Heroes. Right before your eyes, your power takes to the skies. The excitement inside you begins to build.
There's Tambourine's upper half. Now we draw this. Draw the marks here.
Time to take it slow. Go fight your rival as you hotly and fiercely unleash your very soul. Dragon Ball Heroes, you're slowly turning into superheroes. See all those enemies that stand in your way, take them down and break your limits. Dragon Ball Heroes, that's right, no longer will you be a zero. With all this energy shining so splendidly,
here's the fingers.
show the world what you can do. Dragon Ball Heroes. Dragon Ball Heroes, you're slowly turning into superheroes. See all those enemies that stand in your way, take them down and break your limits. Dragon Ball
Here are the wings sticking out of his back. As you have seen in the original Dragon Ball Super, this guy killed Krillin. Sorry I had to bring that up, but it's true. I saw it happen. Alexa, plays Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
Far away, our wants are making the climb. I'll trust the power you've got inside. All of aim to be the stars of the stage. Moving our union through anything we face. Beyond the planets with a slam, slam, slam. Start the battle in a jam, jam, jam.
The final hit is a bam, bam, bam.
This heartbeat pounds my head, let's get started. First we're getting bumped, then we crash. Winning in the rough, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy.
There.
Oh
Finally completed. That's how you draw Tambourine. Bye.